Hi, and welcome to the First Peoples Arts Map. The Arts Map is an interactive environment for artists and arts administrators to promote their work, share events or public artworks, and get connected. You can search and use the Arts Map without creating an account, although you need one if you would like to make a profile or want to add posts like public art or events. In this short tour, I'll show you 3 ways to explore the Arts Map posts. These are browse the map, browse by category, and search. Let's try them one by one, starting with the map. All the posts in the Arts Map database are shown on this interactive Slippy map. Try a few things. You can pan and zoom with the plus and minus signs. You can expand the map to the full of your screen, clicking on this button that says full screen. You can double click to zoom in, and you'll notice that the clustering changes as you zoom in. This 15 cluster changes to 13 too. You can also click on a cluster and it will zoom in to those 4 clusters. Clicking on a final art will take you to the actual post. And these icons represent persons, organizations, artwork, events, and resources. You can click on Reset Map here, which will take you to the whole of the map database. And you can also click on the Find Me, which will ask you if you want to share the location, and then your location will be georeferenced, and you can zoom out a little bit and see what artwork is nearby you. And to zoom away from full screen, click on this button again. There's one other map navigation, and that is we can change to an OpenStreetMap Basic, and we can turn on and off the language polygons by clicking on this button. And now we can see the names of the languages historically prevalent in different parts of British Columbia. Well, let's resize the map to take us back to the home page. Secondly, let's take a look at categories. This is the second way of navigating through the Arts Map database, and it's using this navigation here. The categories are described on the home page, also on the left side block here. So person, organization, event, and resource. And you can click on either the icon or the title to take you into a landing page for each. So let's take a look at organization, and we get a new map just showing the navigation of mapped organizations, plus on the left hand side pages of all the organizations in the database. Let's go back to the home page by clicking on this white title, the First Peoples Arts Map, and look at the third way of exploring the database, and that's with search. So you go to the search bar to explore search and enter in a search term, let's say for example cedar. Click on the search or enter return, and the database comes up with pages of folks who, or events or resources that reference the word cedar. We can tell that there's 16 persons, 2 events, and that these have been tagged in various ways within the database. Let's head back to the home page by clicking on this First Peoples Arts Map title. So this Other things you could explore, that many artists have contributed content. So you can read about the project here with this link, and about the map on this link up on the top right, and register to create an account and post your own information. Thanks for taking this tour.